Morning students, this is your 4th standard English term 3. In this session, we are going to discuss Unit 1, the best policy. In recall session, in previous video, we have started term 3 and Unit 1, the best policy with the pros, the 7 seeds. Students, I hope you remember this story which we have discussed and studied last week. Yes, this is the story of the 7 seeds where the king want to find a honest leader. So he give the children the seeds from which a girl cannot grow the seeds but other all will grow the rice crops. In the final, she honestly tell to the king that my seeds didn't grow. Then the king tells that she is the next leader of the kingdom because she is honest and the seeds I gave to her were the boiled seeds which will not grow. She told it in a honest way that the seeds did not grow without cheating. So, she is going to be the leader of our kingdom. So this is the story you have studied last week. These are the glossary regarding the story. Let's recall it once again. Students, I want you all to write it down in your classwork. And as early as possible, do get the books from the school. Kingdom. A region ruled by a king. Flourished, developed in a healthy way, revered, respected, aging, getting old, adopt, legally take and bring up, leader, head, nurture, care, protect and grow, anxious, eager, destiny, fate, behold, see. Are you clear, students? I want you all to write it down in your classwork with the lesson name. After the prose, we have studied about animal sounds. Let's recall it again. What sound does each animal make? Dogs bark, horses neigh, donkeys bray, rabbits squeak, pigs grunt, cats meow, bees hum, ducks quack, owls hoot, frogs croak, sparrows chirp, cocks crow. Okay, students? Then today's session we are going to study the poem from the best policy, that is be honest, and grammar regarding articles. Be honest means to be truthful. Whatever the situation is, you should never tell lie. You should accept your mistake. Be honest. This is the poem in your English textbook. Let's learn it briefly. Amma will often say, be honest all day. Amma will often say, be honest all day. The mother is telling to the son that always be honest, be truthful. Still troubles make me fall. I want to be truthful to all. Though I am truthful, I am having troubles. Amma will often say, be honest every day. So, the mother is telling to the son that be honest not only one day but every day in your life. To say truth when I am wrong, I may have to be 18. If I want to say truth when I am wrong, I have to be 18. 18 years old. Is that so? To Amma I often say, don't you hear them lie? The son is asking to his mother, Mummy, don't you see that they are lying? They are not telling the truth. How can we be honest? The mother is telling, she says, many may lie and go, but honesty will help us grow. The mother is telling to the son, many may lie and go, but honesty will help us grow. Every time you should be truthful, which will make you grow as a good person. Many will lie, don't follow that way, that is bad. At last, I have this to say, I don't lie to this day. The boy is telling he understood what his mother is trying to tell him. Till now I haven't lied. I am a honest boy. The trick is the rhyme. Let's try this one day at a time. So, the trick is the rhyme. Let's try this one day at a time. Just to make a rhyming, I have given these lines the boy is telling. Are you clear, students? The poem is nothing but be honest, be truthful, and accept your mistakes. Whenever you have done wrong, try to tell with a bare heart. These are the meanings from the poem. Often, frequently, troubles, difficulty or problem. Lie, a false statement. Grow, improve. Trick, technique. Students, write down this meanings in your classwork with the poem Be Honest. From the poem, let's do some exercise. Match the rhyming words. Here the words are given. Match them with their correct rhyming word. Say, day, all, fall, go, grow, rhyme, time. Are you clear, students? Write it down in your classwork. Fill in the blanks. Dash will often say to be honest. Tell me, student. Dash will often say to be honest. Amma will often say to be honest. We shouldn't dash ever. What we shouldn't do? We shouldn't lie ever. Many may lie and dash. Many may lie and go. Are you clear, students? Write it down. Next is the grammar articles. The articles are a, an and the. What is an article? An article is a word that comes before a noun. An article is a word that comes before a noun. The boy, a bee, an apple. Let's study briefly. We use a when the words begin with any other sound. We use a when the word begins with any other sound. For example, a car, a bat, b, a ball, b, a university, u, a car, k. So, when the word is starting with a sound, a is used. We use an before words that begin with the sounds of a, e, I, o and u vowels. We use an before words that begin with the sounds of a, e, I, o, u. An apple. Here a is a vowel. An umbrella. U is a vowel. An orange. O is a vowel. An R. So we use an for time. That is why here R is given. Next is the. We already know that the is used when we talk of a particular thing. The article the is also used before the names of unique things. Unique means special, like mountains, rivers, lakes, seas, oceans, famous books and directions. For example, in directions, the east, mountains, the Himalayas, rivers, lakes, waterfalls, the Vaigai, islands, the Andaman and Nicobar, famous book, the Tirukural, seas and oceans, the Indian Ocean. Are you clear, students, about the articles ye, and the? Yes. Let's do some exercise. Write a or an. By seeing the picture, try to find out the answer, students. The first one is a book. Very good. Next, an ant. A chair. Very good. Write it down in your classwork. An egg. Next. Next one, a pot. Dash in. In is nothing but the word hotel. An inn. Next, a flag. Next one, an unicorn. Very good, students. You have done a very good job. Next is exercise. Write the meanings for the following: grow, lie, often, trick, troubles. Students, write down these questions in your classwork and try to answer them by seeing the study-based material video as well as following the textbook. Fill in the blanks using a, an and the. Write down these questions and fill them with the articles a, an and the where they are used. I know, students, you will surely do it. In the next session, we will meet with the new lesson.